So pulley set, got a pulley set. I'm getting a squeaking noise on my bike here, and how do I install it? First up, I'm going to take the bike and take the chain off. I'm gonna shift it all the way down below gear. And then I'm gonna lower gear. I've got a dual system here. Taking them out of the bag here. So they're here. Now I'm looking carefully because I know that sometimes they've got directional arrows. That's important, all right? So I've got directional arrows, and sometimes you need to have one that goes on the lower end and one on the top. T pulley and G pulley, all right? So top pulley and the other pulley, G. What's the G stand for? I don't know. So 3mm Allen, take out the bolt carefully because I'm going to reuse this. And now it all popped out. So this is the bottom pulley, and it's got this thing here, so you don't want to have it all pop out like it just did when I disassembled it. Not a big deal since I'm trying to get this in here, and I'm going to try and make sure I get this right here. And I'm going to take screw guy, put him back in, and then reattach with the Allen. Bingo, that first one is done. To get access to the other one, I'm going to take the wheel off. They have a lot better access. And same thing on this one. Now, I'm also watching where the chain is. It's going to go down here, so I'm going to get my Allen on this. Remember to save the screw. Now make sure when you get this, there's also the direction of the flow, right? So as the chain goes this way, the rotation is going to go that way. So I've got to get the rotation right, and there's arrows on it. This is a genuine Shimano part, as a note. And it's just going to go right here. Got to get him right in there. Take the screw guy. Bingo, done, very fast. And now as I spin her up, that squeaky noise, I had a squeaky noise and now it's gone. Just needed new pulleys.